praying to something that's empty into his own self, that theologically for you, but this is a theological fallacy. And this is why as Muslims we understand that just doesn't make sense. If Jesus is praying, he's praying to God. And it means that God was never emptied, and God was always present, and God was always all-knowing, and God's the one that sent the angel to take John the Baptist's soul, and God doesn't need to process the death of John the Baptist because God's the one who sent the angel to collect John the Baptist's soul. So, within what I just said, it already shows you this whole argument, this whole situation of what happened to John the Baptist. It's 2-3 fallacies in one go. The guy's processing a death that you say he is in charge of sending the angel to collect John's soul with, because if you say he's 100% God and man, then basically, then why is he processing someone he sent the angel to collect his soul for? And he's processing it and praying to some entity you claim, which is a false claim, that is emptied himself into Jesus. But he's praying to what you say is the Father, but the Father, that means that the Father didn't empty himself. If the Father emptied himself, that means that means what's left? The Father didn't empty himself. You're lying. It's theologically a fallacy altogether. Okay. Fast forward to his now we go to the ministry. If you think that Jesus was 100% God, 100% man, why would he have needed to discuss with the rabbis if we already know that God is all-knowing, but Jesus isn't all-knowing? We already proved this with the fig tree thing and with the John the Baptist thing, but this another point, that the fact that he was practicing scriptures with the rabbis, and then, but if Jesus even had any foreshadowing capability, he would know he has his own ministry in the future. That means that he wouldn't need to practice, or he wouldn't need to, for example, even discuss with rabbis when he's gonna have his own ministry. This is another fallacy, that he doesn't even know that he will have his own ministry. And we know God to be all-knowing. So it's all-knowing, meaning he even knows what's happening.